Hello friend, welcome to my channel Social Share Education. In this video, I will write 20 lines essay on Press Freedom Day. Press Freedom Day, observed on 3rd May each year, is a global initiative to celebrate the fundamental principles of press freedom and to defend the rights of journalists worldwide. This day commemorates the fundamental role of a free press in fostering democracy, promoting transparency, and safeguarding human rights. Press freedom is essential for holding governments and institutions accountable, exposing corruption and injustice, and facilitating informed public discourse. The theme for Press Freedom Day 2024 is Media Freedom for a Better Future, Shaping the Post-Pandemic World, highlighting the crucial role of media in navigating the challenges and opportunities of a rapidly changing world. In many countries, journalists face threats, harassment, censorship, and violence in their pursuit of truth and information, making Press Freedom Day a critical platform for raising awareness and advocating for their safety and rights. Freedom of expression and freedom of the press are fundamental human rights enshrined in international law and protected by constitutions and legal frameworks in democratic societies. Press Freedom Day serves as a reminder of the importance of upholding these rights and defending the independence and integrity of the media against all forms of censorship and intimidation. Journalists play a vital role as watchdogs of society, shining a light on issues of public concern, giving voice to the marginalized and oppressed, and fostering accountability and transparency in governance. In recent years, the digital revolution has transformed the media landscape, providing new opportunities for information dissemination, citizen journalism, and global connectivity. However, it has also brought challenges such as misinformation, online harassment, and threats to media pluralism, underscoring the need for strong legal frameworks and ethical standards to guide journalistic practice in the digital age. Press Freedom Day provides an opportunity for governments, media organizations, civil society, and the public to come together to discuss challenges, share best practices, and reaffirm their commitment to a free and independent press. Supporting independent media outlets, promoting media literacy, and defending the safety and rights of journalists are essential steps in ensuring a vibrant and diverse media ecosystem. Attacks on press freedom not only threaten individual journalists but also undermine democracy, erode trust in institutions, and restrict the flow of information vital for informed decision-making. In countries where press freedom is under threat, solidarity and international support are crucial in amplifying the voices of journalists and advocating for their protection and rights. Press Freedom Day is also a time to honor the courage and sacrifice of journalists who have lost their lives or faced persecution in the line of duty, standing as beacons of truth and defenders of democracy. By upholding press freedom and defending the rights of journalists, we uphold the principles of democracy, human rights, and freedom of expression that are essential for building a more just, informed, and equitable world. As we commemorate Press Freedom Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to defending press freedom as a cornerstone of democracy and a fundamental pillar of a free and open society. Through dialogue, advocacy, and collective action, we can work together to create an environment where journalists can work freely and safely, and where the media can fulfill its vital role in advancing peace, justice, and sustainable development. Press Freedom Day is not only a day of celebration but also a call to action for governments, media organizations, and citizens to protect and promote press freedom as a fundamental human right and a cornerstone of democracy. As we celebrate Press Freedom Day, let us recognize the power of a free press to inform, inspire, and empower individuals and communities around the world, shaping a better future for generations to come. Thank you for valuable time.